Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve Leetcode problem 647, which is palindromic substrings. So it's a medium level Leetcode problem and it has been asked in many companies including Amazon and Meta. Given a string S, return the number of palindromic substrings in it. A string is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within the string. So in example 1 we have input as is equals to ABC, output is 3. So because there are three palindromic substrings A, B and C. In example 2 we have input is triple A and output is 6 because we have 6 palindromic substrings, which are these, as you can see, this highlighted. So how to solve this problem? So basically the idea is to iterate over the each character of the string, and from that character we will see how many palindromic substrings are can be formed. So we can have the result which is equals to 0 when we iterate over the s for I in range length of s. Initially let's have L is equals to R is equals to I. Now while L is greater than equals to 0 and R is less than length of s, and s of L is equals to s of R. So we know that it's a basically a palindrome. So we can increment result plus equals to 1 and L minus equals to 1, R plus equals to 1. Now there is another possibility. We should consider about the AA, which is two adjacent characters. So we can have like this: L is equals to I, R is equals to I plus 1, and similar stuff while L is greater than equals to 0 and R is less than length of S, and S of L is equals to S of R. So we are going to increment result plus equals to 1 because we found a palindrome. L minus equals to 1, R plus equals to 1. At the end we can return result. Run the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed. Okay, test case 1, test case 2. Now let's submit the code. Okay, so you can see that submission is successful, our code is accepted and it's working fine. So here the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n square because we are using one outer loop here and two nested loops are here. So it will be basically order of n square. So I hope you understand the code and the time complexity, which is order of n square. And we are using Python to solve this lead code problem because Python is convenient and easy and quick to write. And in the interviews, we have very limited time to solve the problem. So that's why we use Python to solve the problem. And I would recommend to use Python because if you use Python, then you can quickly solve the problem and in the interviews. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.